Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to redeem Microsoft Rewards for Spotify Premium. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Rewards website. Once you are there, log in with your Microsoft account details. After you log in, look at the top menu and go to the Redeem section. This is where you can exchange your points for gift cards and subscriptions. In the search bar on the Redeem page, type Spotify Premium. You should see the Spotify Premium reward appear in the results. Once you have found it, look for the Redeem button. In my case, I do not have enough points to redeem it right now. But once you click on the Redeem button, it will show you a voucher code. This code is what you will use to activate your Spotify Premium subscription. Copy that voucher code carefully. Now open a new tab on your phone or desktop. In the search bar, type spotify.com/redeem. This will take you to the Spotify Redeem page. It may ask you to log in. Go ahead and log in to your Spotify account. After you log in, you will see a field where you can enter the redeem code. Paste or type the voucher code into that field and confirm. Once the code is accepted, you will receive Spotify Premium for 3 months. Thanks for watching.